Think about the poor and the needy, those who are sickly, those who've passed on, make dua for them. That brings me to the next point to do during these days. Pray for others. Call out to Allah for yourself and for others. Supplicate. That is called dua. So we make dua not just for ourselves, but for others as well. Think of the poor, the needy. Subhanallah, it's amazing. Many times we ask Allah for our needs, not knowing that when you call out to Allah for the needs of others without them knowing, Allah fulfills your needs to begin with. Amazing. One of the ways of getting Allah to fulfill your needs is to ask Allah to fulfill the needs of others, no matter where they are across the globe. And this is how Allah will help you and guide you and give you the goodness that you're asking for. You want to get married, make dua for Allah to grant spouses to others and see what happens about you as well. Because the angels say, oh Allah, grant this person the same.